Some people, like the bloodlines of the global cult, as I call it, have twin or hybrid information fields, one human and one not human. Now, to hide their true nature, the human field is the one projected in public, and any observer will decode that field into something holographically human. But when the other non-human field becomes the dominant one, when the information fields shift, the observer is first decoding the human field and then suddenly the non-human field, reptilian or whatever it is. To the observer's decoded holographic reality, someone has shifted from a human form to a non-human form physically, but there's nothing physical about it. The transformation has taken place only in the observer's holographic decoding processes in their head. It is an information shift, not a physical one.